The probate process can be a grueling experience within estate planning. It's the legal process that certifies a will and the estate it's attached to before the state grants permission for property and assets to be passed on to heirs. Sometimes probate takes months and sometimes it takes years, but while there's no designated timeline for probate, the process can be summed up in 5 common steps. Step 1. First, the court will authenticate the will. Say, for example, the deceased updated their will before passing and the version that was filed along with the petition for probate turns out to be outdated. Or maybe the court simply needs to determine that the will is in fact valid. They will also settle any possible disputes to the will's validity from family members. 2. Next, the court will also appoint the executor named in the will or assign the role to the decedent's next of kin if none was named or if there's no will at all. They'll certify the role by issuing them letters testamentary, permitting that person to act on behalf of the estate. 3. The executor will now be tasked with identifying all of the decedent's assets as well as their debts. Any property that may have been accounted for in the will or even property acquired after the will was written will need to be included within the estate before moving on to the next step. 4. Identifying debts and paying debts. Assets owned by the decedent may be used to pay off past creditors if there was not enough cash to do so. This includes car loans, home loans, student loans, and so on. The executor can also be tasked with publishing notice of the decedent's death or notifying any creditors directly, as well as filing the decedent's final income tax returns. 5. Distributing assets. Once all of the decedent's debts have been settled or ample time has been given for creditors to make claims to unpaid debts, the assets within the estate can finally be distributed to all heirs. We're eForms, the biggest online database of legal documents. We've got even more information about estate planning and free estate planning documents at the link below this video. So click the link and don't forget to subscribe for more.